In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Python on your Windows computer step by step in a way that's beginner friendly and easy to follow. If you have never installed Python before, don't worry. I'll guide you through everything from checking if it's already installed all the way to making sure it's working perfectly on your system. So let's get started. The very first thing that we want to do is check whether Python is already installed on your computer or not. Sometimes Python might already be installed, especially if you have used certain tools before. To check this, just go to your Windows search bar and open command prompt. Just type cmd and make sure to run it as administrator. After opening your command prompt, just type Python and hit enter. Now, depending on your system, a few things might happen. In some cases, the Microsoft Store might open automatically, suggesting you install Python from there. In other cases, you might see an error message like Python is not recognized as internal or external command. Now, all of these results basically mean the same thing. Python is not installed on your system or is not properly set up, and that's completely fine because now we are going to install it the right way. Another quick tip: even if the Microsoft Store opens, I don't recommend installing Python from there. The reason is that the Microsoft Store version is not always the latest, and it also gives you less control over installation settings. So instead, we are going to install Python directly from the official website. Now go ahead and open your browser. This can be your Chrome, Edge, or anything that you prefer. And in the search bar, just search for Python and hit enter. The first result should be the official website, which is python.org. Just click on that link, and from here scroll down and you will see the latest version of the Python here. And just go up and go to downloads. And when you hover over download, you will see the latest version here also. Just click on the Python that is latest and your installer will start installing. Wait for it to install, and once installed, just click on it to run the installer. Now, this is one of the most important parts of the installation, so pay close attention here. When the installer window opens, you will see a couple of options at the bottom. The most important one is add Python exe to path. Make sure to check this box. This step is very important because it allows you to run Python command directly from command prompt. If you skip this, Python might install but it won't work properly when you try to use it. And you will also see an options like use admin privileges when installing python.exe. Make sure to toggle this on also. It just helps avoid permission issue during installation. Now, instead of clicking on install now, click on customize installation. This gives you more control over how Python is installed. Just click on customize installation, and on the next screen, you'll see a list of optional features like PIP documentation and others. For beginners, it's perfectly fine to leave everything as default. Just click on next. Now you will see advanced options. Here, you can choose things like installing for all users, adding Python to environment, and installation location. Most of these options can't stay checked. Just click on the little checkbox and you can just check it all, like so. And you will also see the installation path. By default, Python installs inside the program files folder. This is completely fine, but some people prefer installing it directly in the C drive for easier access. But if you are not sure, just leave it as it is at default. And once you are ready, just click on install and the installation process will begin. This might take a few seconds to a minute depending on your computer. Just wait for the setup to finish. Once it finishes, you will see a message that says setup was successful. This means that Python was installed correctly. You might also see an option labeled as disable path limit, but it might always not be visible. This is an advanced setting that removes restriction on file path length. For most beginner, it is okay to leave it as it is, but enabling it usually does not cause any issue either. Now, click on close to finish the installation. At this point, Python should be installed on your system, but we still want to verify that everything is working correctly. Now, open your command prompt once again and make sure to run it as administrator. And in the command prompt, it is important to open a new one, not the old one that you used earlier. Now, just type Python space double minus and version and hit enter. Now, if everything is set up correctly, you should see something like Python and the Python version that we found earlier in the Google Chrome. This confirms that Python is installed successfully. Next, just type Python and hit enter. This will open the interactive terminal, also known as Python shell. Here you can type simple Python command and see the result instantly. For example, you can just type print and on bracket and then double quotation and type any message that you want to print like hello. Close the quotation and close the bracket and hit enter. And it will display the output. If you want to exit the terminal, you can just type quit. Just type the small bracket and then press enter. Now, if for some reason typing Python still gives you an error, it usually means that the path wasn't set correctly. In that case, you may need to reinstall Python and make sure the add Python to path option is checked. And that's pretty much it. You have successfully installed Python on your Windows computer and now you are ready to start coding. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more beginner-friendly tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.